Today, we're going to display this form automatically when our database starts up. We'll create a first method using the Explorer. This will be a project method. Click on Methods, then Project Methods, and then the plus button. We'll call this method Navigation. We're going to create a container that will let us display this form, which will also be called Navigation. Then we'll request a display of the form itself. Of course, we could just use copy-paste, and most of the commands are available with the type ahead mechanism. When we close the navigation form, we'll also close the container at the same time. To check that this method works correctly, click on the Execute button at the top left of the method window. The form appears in a custom-made window. Automatic display on startup is nearly finished. Now we just have to call this method when 4D is launched. Close the method, and then we'll look for the onStartup database method in the list of methods. This method is run automatically when 4D starts up. We'll call the navigation method that we just created in the onStartup method. That way, it calls the navigation method that we just set up each time 4D is started. To test this, choose Close Database in the File menu, then choose Open Recent Databases, My First 4D Database, and we see that the navigation method is automatically called when our database starts. When we close this dialog, we return to the dialog in the design environment. This first step is now complete. We have set up the automatic opening of our working window. Now we're going to continue improving the interface of our main form.